Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Down at the allotment again, nice and early, just trying to get this pile behind that my camera managed into this box. So I have to break up everything by hand and get it in there. There's still no manure out up the top there. They haven't brought none round for a few days now. I don't know if it's gone out of season or what, but it's something what you need to get the burning process going. So I'm going to do this, then I'll show you what's going on at the plot, and then I'm going to give everything a water. Then I've got I'll show you what's going on in my garden at home. A lot of you are sorry about that. A lot of you have been asking what's happening in my garden. I haven't planted a lot in my garden this year. I've still got it to clear up, but you know, because of illness and everything like that, it's not happened this year. I haven't planted flowers or anything like that in there like I usually plant it up and make it look good. Don't know, a lot of private jets coming in this morning. So if you like our videos, please remember like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And if you want to leave any comments, you can leave them in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So I'm going to carry on with this. Once we're done, I'll show you what it looks like, and then we can move on to something else. Right everybody, so I just finished watering. I'm just going to show you what's going on. You see, since I cut my rhubarb out, they've grown back. This is my herb bed. Got this to weed out. You see I think this is a curry plant and an ochre yam what grow involuntary. My thyme's down there. My rosemary's at there, and I've got I had a sage what was coming back, but I think it's getting smothered. Got another thyme there, but I'm going to get these okra yams out next time I come down. Oh, bending down is just making me dizzy at the moment. Still not 100%. Got my potato buckets there. Going to try and empty those on Friday. Got a few. This is my 1 potato bucket challenge here. So I'm going to be emptying that on, getting the rest emptied and sorted out. Got my okra yam here, my beetroots, my sweet potatoes here. I've got my onions here, what I have to get out and to dry. They're not very big this year, but nevertheless they're onions, and they're starting to, I think because they're leaned over, they need to come out and dry. So I'm going to have to get the ones out what I can get out, and see these big long ones, they're no good to me. So yeah, I'm going to have to get all my onions up by Friday. Get all these up and start getting them dried so we can start using them. there's a lot in here, so all different sizes. So don't know if I've got a bag with me. Take these home and let them dry out. I'll put them in my conservatory until the skins get dried out, and then I'll put them in my outside cupboard. Right, show you what's going on in my polytunnel. Right, let my cameraman come right up. Let's hurry up because my head's starting to spin a bit. The heat. Still got some carrots in. Still got some nice. That's the sweet potato what's run over there. Still got some nice long ones in here. See if I can get older ones. So you see I've still got some nice sized carrots, but I don't need any. I've still got some at home. My Scotch bonnets on the top. My hibiscus. Oh. Still got another sweet potato vine running across there. Another one here. So I want to get out these carrots maybe on Friday. Then put some new seeds in. My ginger. This is my melon. My hibiscus, my wonderberry. My sweetheart melon. Nothing on there yet. My other melon, which is onion, I think it is. Just one on there. Sweet potatoes. My tomatoes. My chilies along the top shelf there. Some onions in here. I need to get these out because they're bent over as well. These were the exhibition ones. Still got my sweet potato down there, nicely flowering, which is the okawani. The sweet potatoes. And you can see most of it is sweet potatoes. I planted some lettuce seeds in there. I think it was on Monday. Got some tomatoes down here. My strawberries I want to put out because they're just drying up all the time in here. My turmeric. This is my jackfruit. Don't know why the leaves are turning red. It's just mostly sweet potatoes in here. Right. Put these with the onions. My lilies flowered nicely this year. My pak choy. Something was eating it, but I think they've stopped. My kale in between. And my Romanesco cauliflowers. Over there, I've still got my pink fir apples in. Gonna dig those up next time if I've got enough strength. Some carrots what came back in those buckets. Tomatoes here. Corn. Got a cho-cho there. Don't know why it's not running. They're usually fast running. Got my cucumber and my courgettes there. 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 My courgettes there Got my Jamaica hybrid running pumpkin there. Can see how nice that's running. Sending off side branches as well. See a few little buds coming out now, so see what happens. I want it to go up and over because I've got that's what I wanted, a cho-cho. I've got one cho-cho there, one cho-cho there. Got a shimmer tomato there. It's got a couple on it, but they don't think they're ready yet. Let's see. That's what they look like. Got all my corn. You can see they're starting to straw up and come out. Let my cameraman see how they're coming out. So they're growing pretty fast. Got this bed to weed up. This is my French beans, and I've got some Lima beans in here. Got this to weed out as well. So you see we've got a lot of weeding out to do. My cabbages, I've got some Romanesco lettuce, and my broccoli marathon. Harvested quite a lot off of that already. You see, got rid of all the wood. Now I'm just waiting for them to bring round some manure so I can start the burning process. And then you can see my pumpkins have taken off, flowering and running and everything. So they're doing okay. So if you like our videos, please remember, like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And if you want to leave any comments, you can leave comments in the comments section. So that's it for the allotment. So I'm going to go in my garden now and show you what's going on in there. Right everybody, so we're back home now. I'm in my garden and I haven't been out here for a while now, and I can see my peppers are doing okay. I can't remember what these was now. Just got to get on top of the weeding. My sweet potatoes, you can see, are running nicely. They just need watering. My carrots. You always get weeds. I must have put the seeds in really thinly. I thought I put more seeds than that in, but it's all good. It's carrots still. Same every time I bend down over, I get dizzy. You see my sweet potatoes in the bags running nicely. These are the ones what I've got the slips from. They were still producing slips, so I put them in there just to see what happens. Got a volunteer tomato. I've got all this to weed up again. Got all this rubbish here to clear up. The grapevine to cut down. You see these starting to flower again. My lilies flowering, and my rhododendrons, nicely big flowers there. So more or less, you see that's in the bag, and that's how grapevines are. That's just in the bag and it started growing. I've got this to take up. This is a fig. Got to take that up to the allotment. I need a new watering can. One of my subscribers gave us a donation. So I'm going to use some of that and get another watering can. Now you see my pumpkins. Don't know if I can get over there. See my pumpkins nicely running, just sending off the male flowers. Want that to go that way, sort of, and then I've got all those to weed out, and I've got to weed out in between. So I planted 4 pumpkins there, I think it was. So they're doing alright. So that's what's going on in my garden. Just gonna, sure you don't want to see me water, so I'm gonna do this. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I've got some milk here, and I'm gonna just give my pumpkins and my peppers a little boost. Just using half of this, and then so you can use milk as a fertilizer, which is what a lot of you don't know. It's a good base of calcium, and it boosts up the plants, gives them a nice kickstart. So gonna water these, and then that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.